Horseradish, scientifically known as Armoracia rusticana, is a perennial plant belonging to the Brassicaceae family, which also includes mustard, wasabi, broccoli, and cabbage. This robust and pungent plant is not only a popular culinary spice, but also has a rich history of medicinal use dating back centuries. Growth and habitat. Horseradish is native to southeastern Europe and Western Asia, but has since been cultivated worldwide. It thrives in temperate climates and is commonly found in gardens and orchards. The plant prefers well-drained soils, full sun to partial shade, and can grow up to 5 feet tall. Its large, white, tapering root is the primary edible and medicinal part. Locations and identification. This plant is easily recognizable by its large, coarse leaves that can grow up to a meter long. During the spring, horseradish produces white to slightly yellowish flowers, arranged in terminal panicles. Its roots are long, thick, and fleshy, with a rough exterior. Toxic lookalikes. Horseradish has few toxic lookalikes, but it is sometimes confused with wild parsnip, which can cause severe phytophotodermatitis. Always verify the identity through the distinct pungent aroma of the roots before use. Edible uses and parts. The root of the horseradish is traditionally grated and used as a condiment alongside meats and in sauces. Its sharp, sinus-clearing flavor is due to the presence of mustard oils, released when the root is cut or grated. Medicinal parts and uses. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not meant to diagnose, treat, or cure any illness, ailment, or disease. I recommend you consult with a healthcare provider who is knowledgeable about complementary herbal medicine prior to trying anything new. Medicinally, the root of the horseradish is used. It offers various health benefits. Colds, flu, and fever. Horseradish is known for its ability to stimulate the body's immune response and clear sinus passages, aiding in the relief from colds, flu, and fever symptoms. Respiratory infections. Its antibiotic properties help in treating respiratory infections by clearing mucus from the airways. Urinary tract infections, UTIs. The antibacterial effects of horseradish have been found effective against bacteria responsible for UTIs. Arthritis. Its compounds may help reduce inflammation, thereby easing arthritis pain. Pleurisy. Horseradish can aid in alleviating the inflammation of the lining of the lungs and chest, known as pleurisy. Chilblains. Applied topically, it can increase blood flow to the skin, helping to treat chilblains. Infected wounds. When used as a poultice, horseradish has antiseptic properties beneficial for treating infected wounds. How to harvest. Harvest horseradish in autumn or early spring. Dig around the plant carefully. Extract the long taproots and remove excess soil. The leaves can be trimmed and roots can be stored in cool, dark conditions or used fresh. Cautions. Stomach ulcers and thyroid issues. Individuals with stomach ulcers or thyroid problems should avoid excessive consumption as it can exacerbate these conditions. Skin irritation and blistering. The potent oils can cause skin irritation or blistering. Handling with gloves is recommended. To avoid these skin irritations when using horseradish as a poultice, you need to dilute it. Mix grated horseradish with a carrier substance like clay, mashed potatoes, or a mild oil before applying to the skin. Horseradish, with its robust growth and myriad of uses, from culinary delights to medicinal benefits, stands as a remarkable plant in the natural health repertoire. Whether used to spice up a meal or combat a cold, this fiery root continues to prove its worth across various domains. As with any herbal remedy, responsible use and proper identification are paramount to safely harnessing horseradish's full potential.